Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography channel. Today I am going to start a new series of episodes on all the different accessories I use in my tabletop photography as well as an outdoor macro photography work. Some of these items I bought from online source or from any store, and some of the items I made myself. I'll be uploading several episodes on different accessories normally I use on my tabletop photography. Here you can see one camera stand. This one I made from a scrap microscope. Let me show you the camera stand. Let me remove the camera. This is my DIY camera stand for my tabletop photography, and you can see there is a wheel. I put the camera over here on this quick release clamp, and I can move the camera back and forth with this wheel. This is very simple to make. If you want to make this kind of camera stand for your tabletop photography, please send me a comment in the comment box below, and I'll be uploading a video dedicated on the making process of this camera stand. I've already collected one more piece of this scrap microscope for my another camera stand like this. I'm not going to talk about this camera stand today anymore because I'll be showing a lot of other accessories. You can see on my right there are a lot of accessories on my table. So I'll be showing all those things one after another. So let me keep it aside for a moment. This is very easy to fix. With the quick release clamp, my camera is on. It's very strong, very heavy. This weight about 5 kilogram. I can put any camera on it. So let me keep it aside for a moment. For tabletop macro photography, we need a lot of different accessories. The most important thing is to hold the subject in a suitable position in front of your camera. For this, I use a lot of different techniques for holding the subject depending on the type of subject. It could be a very small spider, it could be a flower, or sometimes I do some bigger tabletop product photography like an apple or fruit, something like that, which is very big. For all these different type of subject, I have plenty of different techniques which I use for tabletop macro photography. I'll be showing all my accessories on right over here. Let me show you closely what are the items I use for tabletop photography and which I bought from an online store or from any store or which I made it myself. So I have all different kinds of things over here. Let me show you the stuffs I have arranged on my table. See, there are a lot of accessories. This one is the camera stand I showed just now, and you see so all my accessories arranged on my table. Let me explain a little bit just for today. These are the stuff I use normally for holding the subject. You see, there are some crocodile clips around here, and the stands and magic arms. There is another magic arm over here. So these are the stuff I use for holding the subject, and there are some small items over here. You see, I have fixed one to hold a twig. So this is another item I use regularly. Here is one with the flower. See, I can just put the flower in this heavy steel tube. So these are the items for holding the subject. And here is a series of wheels. You can see wheels which I frequently use for my tabletop photography, where I can move the angle of the subject all different varieties, small, large, with different heights. There is one over here. So these are the wheels I use, like this, and move the subject, rotate the subject, set the angle. So these are the wheels. I made it myself. I did not buy this stuff. I made it myself. And you can see the couple of jacks. One is large, one is small, for putting the subject on it. This one is 4-inch, this one is 6-inch. I bought it from Amazon. So these are very useful and almost everyday use. I can put the sample, I can put the flash. Normally I use for subject up and down, and also I use it for putting the offline flash on these jacks and adjusting the height. Let me show you one more thing. This one is also made from microscope. You can see I put the sample over here and move it up and down for adjusting the height, and also I can rotate the subject 360-degree with this attachment over here. I made it myself. There are some torchlight over here. I frequently use both indoor and outdoor. You can buy it from online store, Amazon. There's one LED light over here, and I've got several LED lights. You can see there's a couple of LED lights, spotlights on this stand. This also I use frequently on my tabletop photography. For background setting, I normally use this kind of stand. I made it myself. This is also a stand where I can attach a cardboard or paper board or plastic board at the back of my subject. So this is also very useful to me. So this you can make yourself, no problem. This is very easy to make. And there is one more stand over here. Let me show you. There is one more stand over here where I can hang a plastic board or paper board like this, or any other green leaf or anything you want as a background. So this is also a very simple clamp. You can buy from Amazon a stand and a clamp. Let me show you one more background thing. There is one more long stand over here. This one is long. This is the base, and this is the long stand where I can put this green leaf. I do use this long stand for fixing a big color green leaf over here, or any other paper or clothes or any background I want to put. So these are the accessories normally I use on my tabletop photography. And you can see there are some goosenecks I've got. I can fix this gooseneck with this stand and put a light on this hole or any other thing I want to put. So I've got a couple of goosenecks, one over here. There's a clip, large clip with the gooseneck. I can adjust the angle like this. And also I've got plenty of small stuff like scissors, cutters, tweezers, all different size and varieties. And finally, I want to show my tabletop light box, diffuser box. You can see there is a Godox MF12 flash fixed on these two sides. There is one over here and another one is over here. So this is the light box for my tabletop photography, and there's a green color background at the back, and I can put any other thing like a black paper or other leaves on this diffuser box. I have uploaded the making process of diffuser box in my channel about a month back. So if you are interested to make this light box like this, you can watch my earlier videos on the making process. So these are the stuff I have just showed you. I'll be uploading several videos on this stuff one after another, and especially which I made myself as a DIY project. If you're interested to watch more videos on any one of these items, please make a comment below so that I can make more videos on the making process of these DIY items and also how I use it on my tabletop photography. I'll be showing a practical demonstration on these items. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe for my upcoming videos. Press the bell icon. Stay connected. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.